Everyone, welcome to NeoLearn. Dear friends, let us discuss indefinite article. The determiners a, an, and the are called articles. The is known as definite article and a and an are indefinite articles. Let us discuss where to use indefinite articles. The indefinite article a is used with the singular common noun which begins with a consonant sound. For example, there is a cat on the table. So cat is a singular common noun and in front of that we have used a cat. In the second example, he has a pen. Pen is a common singular noun. So that we have used indefinite article a. I have a mobile phone. So in this sentence, mobile phone is used as a singular common noun. In the fourth example, she plucked a flower. In this example, flower is a common singular noun. In the fifth example, Ravi wrote a letter. Here, letter is a common singular noun. Before that, we have used indefinite article a. We use indefinite article a to refer a noun for the first time. For example, we saw a holy man on the top of the hill. We don't know who is he, but we saw him first time. We are introducing him first time, so that we are using indefinite article a. In the second example, there was a cow in his house. So in this example also, we are introducing that cow for the first time, so that we are using indefinite article a. We use the indefinite article a with the meaning of one. For example, there is a mango tree in our garden. In this sentence, the indefinite article a refers a single one. So there is one mango tree in our garden. In the second example, that was a red car. So here that red car is mentioned or denoted as a single one. To say one, instead of that word one, we have used a. The article with the same meaning we use indefinite article a. Birds of a feather flock together. Here, birds of a feather flock, it says that the same meaning. So that we have used a. People with a goal together. So here a refers that all the people have the same goal. So in this situation, we use the indefinite article a. So the indefinite article an is used with a singular common noun which begins with a vowel sound. So we have already discussed that the indefinite article a is used with the singular common noun which begins with a consonant sound, but an is used with a vowel sound. For example, an apple. We can't say a apple because apple starts with a vowel sound a. In the second example, an advocate. So here the word advocate starts with a vowel sound. An evening, we can say. In the fourth example, an egg. Egg starts with a vowel sound. In the fifth example, an ink pen. So we can't say a ink pen because this word ink pen starts with a vowel sound. But there are some of the exceptions for this rule also. For example, an honest. Here we can see honest if you bother the spelling of honest, but it is pronounced as honest. So, in considering the indefinite article a or an, we have to consider the pronunciation sound of the word which comes after the article. So that a useful. Here u is a vowel, but the pronunciation sound of it is not u. It is useful. An r. So here we can see the consonant h, which is silent here. We pronounce it as an r. A university. Here you can find the vowel u, but it is pronounced as u sound. A university. In the fifth example, a European, because E is pronounced as a silent one and the U sound is highlighted. European, we can't say European, it is European. So that in these cases we have to use the indefinite article a. So dear all, this is all about indefinite articles and about the definite articles and omission of the articles. Let us discuss in the next video. Thank you for watching.